you're going. You good?
Yeah.
You can see my head?
No. Yeah.
Okay. When I move my hands down, then you can go zoom. You don't have to zoom, just point down. So, Rain in a Bottle Lab was pretty easy. And the question was, is it possible to make clean water from dirty water? So we've got our fish tank water, and we've got to somehow turn that fish tank water using only these things and some small amount of ice. So the first thing was that we had to take these materials, and we did a little bit of brainstorming. Then we came up, and the brightest people came up and said, well, let's see, rain in a bottle means that it's going to rain inside the bottle. So they put this water into the bottle. It was very messy and dirty. And then they thought, well, in the troposphere, it gets colder. So we were going to put the ice inside the top and put the top, if it falls, put it like that. And now if it rains, it's going to come up and it's going to drip, condense on the side, and it's going to drip down. But the problem is it just drips back into the dirty water. So you go from dirty water to dirty water. So we somehow had to interrupt the cycle by putting in a floating container that allowed the water to go through its natural cycle within the bottle. So we're going to have this, my handy camera person, back up a little bit. Go sit in that chair for a second, right? And we needed to take the radiant energy from the sun. To take the radiant energy from the sun. So we know that the energy from the sun is quite powerful. And it was simply a matter of taking our setup rain in a bottle apparatus, taking it outside on a nice bright sunny day, putting it inside the sun. So following the entire thing with my handy dandy recorder of science, we've got the radiant energy from the sun coming down, striking the water. The water gained energy and turned from a liquid to a gas in evaporation. Then, because it's warmer, it rose up, hitting the sides of the cold surface near the ice. That caused the energy to move from the water vapor into the ice, causing the water vapor to condense back to a liquid. Then it dripped down and precipitated. Ooh, and it rose up because of convection. So, energy from the sun causes evaporation. Evaporation convects upwards, touches the surface in conduction, loses its energy, and drips down into the cup. That's rain in a bottle. Okay? So let's go over that without that.